Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're about to get into the last episode of Bedfriend. So sad to see it go, but actually not really sad because it's been running very well. Like it doesn't make me overly emotional, underly emotional. I'm just pleasantly happy to watch the show now. There were some moments. Anyway, so episode 9, you met King's parents. There's a whole thing with King being sick, so King's mom came and it was like, does she like him? Does she doesn't like him? But she ends up liking you, so that's nice. King helps you in trying to get you stepdad arrested, and he ended up getting arrested, but not because of King, because of something else. And they had that moment with King, you and the baby sister. So now we're just going to conclude and get our happily ever after, and that's what we're here for. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. We have officially watched. Oh, they're finally going on their vacation. We have officially seen every scene from the opening. Blink. Huh? What'd I do? Maybe. I don't know. You should check. Play games. Let's do it. The funny thing is, I can imagine this being an actual conversation between Net and James. Because James always wearing... Not James. Net. I'm right. Is always wearing shirts like that. Oh, now we're both playing the game. Awesome. I love games. Let's just play all of them. So I don't feel like King is going to win this one. Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay. See? Told you. Don't choke him now. So now no one... Oh, okay. No one can see your face at all. Yeah, we can see who's in charge. And I love that for them. I also love this car. And how long of a boat trip are they going to trip on? Boat on? Be on. I'm still on the trip. What do you mean? Okay, so when your two best friends are together and they get into a fight, did they both tell you about the fight? Or is it like only one's going to tell you and the other one's going to go to a different friend? He's so cheeky, King. I love that caption. I love that caption. Yes. No, yeah, he is. I'm assuming blasting means like some kind of boasting type situation, showing off. I'd stop. You're not gonna win. He likes his coffee. Where are you gonna go? You're on a boat. That's not far for you to go. Oh wait, they were going on a... I thought they said sea trip. Maybe it was boat trip. They're going on a trip on a boat. The boat is the whole trip. You know what I like that this show is giving is we get to be here for a long time for their relationship. Does that make sense? Like, I feel like a lot of other times when BL couples get together, it feels like the part of them getting together is kind of long. Them actually being together is rather short. They break up and then they get together last episode, right? But I feel like for them, we've been a part of the relationship for a long time because the relationship technically started episode 1. So we got to be here for everything. And I liked that. You're the one who started it. What? I know for a fact that you started that one. Okay. We are still on this. This is a long boat trip. I'm sorry. How many outfit changes are we going through? So y'all just came in y'all clothes and this both of y'all just packed these white on white outfits. This was a planned decision. Planned decision after getting in the water. We weren't going to put on our clothes we just had. We're going to wear these white on white with the same sunglasses. Nobody's switching their glasses. Same clothes, same glasses. And then now we're drinking red wine. As if the boat won't magically rock the red wine onto our white on white outfits. Am I the only one thinking of the logistics of this? This doesn't make any sense. And then it's like open bear. Okay. Okay, I feel like we're doing that teasing thing again. The music has kind of turned sensual. He has drowned that alcoholic beverage, and he's more of a sipper. More, please. We're not talking about wine anymore. Okay. At this point, just toss the drink. Like, you don't even need it for real. There's nothing left in this man's glass. Not even gonna lie, this just feels like we're really testing. See? Because, okay, look. I have this thing about white clothes. It's really taking away from the situation for me right now because, my anxiety is like, why? You're just asking to ruin these clothes. Flat or wine bottle glass to handle. Oh, hallelujah. I'm exhausted just watching you guys on this boat. Are we still on the boat? He is asleep. Him in these robes. Why I feel like I've seen this hotel room before. I can sleep too, boo. They make me so happy. They legitimately make me happy. Because King is so soft, and it's so funny because, you get to those certain scenes and he just seems like this, this tough, caveat person, Casanova person, and then he gets around his friends and he's like, I don't know, like he's jokey and like you can't really take him seriously. But there's just moments like that and you're just like, man, that is a teddy bear. And light. The fun thing is, I don't even need it. He looks so peaceful and just happy, like simplistic, simply happy. The man is sleeping. Let him slumber. Why everybody always trying to wake everybody up when they sleeping? Let me sleep. My friend. You don't seem awake. Like I said, he's not awake. Don't help him. He's not getting up. Told you. What did I tell you? That man is so in love. I got 2 hours until noon. First, with me. Same sentence, really. Is he blushing? What is that reaction? Oh my god. That was... Oh my... What was that? He straight up curled into a fetal position. Like he could not handle it. Sister, I liked her. I forgot about this scene. This was in the teaser trailer, official pilot, one of the 7. No, no.
แล้วนัดเพื่อนไว้กี่โมงอ่ะ
What friend? I feel like you know all of his friends.
แต่น่าจะลากยันเย็นเลยกลับช้าหน่อยนะเดี๋ยวรอ
Okay. I mean, if you're sure.
ยิ้มอะไร
I'm smiling because you're smiling.
แฟนน่ารักเลยอยากยิ้มไง
What is with these BLs and feeding them bread? Serious question. What? Why? Nobody eats bread like this. Who eats bread like this? I might be biased. I'm not a huge bread fan. That was cute. I originally thought it was going to be 1 year later. Oh my gosh! They've been together for at least a year and 3 months. Okay, Jade, Jade, breathe.
ไม่พูดกูไม่พูดก็จบปะเชี่ยแต่กูโกหกไม่เก่งมึงก็รู้นี่
Breathe, Jade. Oh, you can't go down and up.
ให้มึงมาช่วยเลือกแหวนนะเว้ยแล้วมึงไม่ตื่นเต้นเลยนี่ไงวะ
Oh, this was the wrong person to bring. Why? You should have brought gun.
แต่กูเก็บอาการอยู่
No, you should have brought gun. He was the wrong one to bring. I like the one in the front. Dude, support, not tattle.
ผมขอดูวงนั้นได้ไหมครับ
อ๋อ ได้เลยครับ ตัวนี้นี่เป็นรุ่นใหม่ของร้านเลยนะครับ ตัวเรือนเนี่ยเป็นแหวนทองคำขาว 0.70 กะรัตครับผม
Oh no, those are nice too. Simple.
ไอ้เจ๋งว่าไงวะ
Oh my god. Jade, all the way together. All the way together, please.
เป็นไรบ้างครับ
มึงเป็นไรเนี่ยเจ๋ง
Jade, please.
ซึ้งอ่ะ
Jade.
ตั้งแต่เป็นเพื่อนมึงมามึงไม่เคยดูเป็นคนดีได้ขนาดนี้เลยอ่ะ
Oh my god, this isn't gonna. Please. Help. This is not helping.
ชมดิวะ
I almost wish they kind of just would have started us in the office. Like, it was cute. It was cute. I'm doing a lot of hopping today. Which makes sense. The last episode, they want to fit in all the cute moments. It's kind of cute that he's proposing at the office. Because that's where they met. That's where they fell in love. That's where they started this whole thing. So, yeah, okay. I'm behind it. I'm trying to figure out where he found this white jacket. Because, yes.
ของมึงแต่งงานไง
No, I can see that.
ตรงเนี้ยแหละ
Right here, right now. It's happening. I'm sorry. Was I here when he said yes? I don't remember the yesing. It happened and I missed it. I miss things often.
ทำไมถึงมาขอกูแต่งงานที่นี่อ่ะ
It's an excellent question.
ก็กูอยากให้ทุกคนรู้เรื่องของเราไง ว่าต่อจากนี้ไป กูจะดูแลมึง และรักมึงคนเดียวนะ
Oh, that's so cute.
คุณแม่สวัสดีครับ คุณพ่อสวัสดีครับ
แล้วเป็นลูกแม่อีกคนนึงนะ
ยินดีต้อนรับสู่ครอบครัวเนื้อ
It's so beautiful. We love Happy. Guess whose turn is next? Guess who that is? Guess who that is? Hi.
ขอโทษนะครับ ที่นี่รับเด็กฝึกงานหรือเปล่าครับ
A trainee.
รับสิครับ
I thought he was the boss. Younger. Okay. Maybe. Younger, maybe. I could be assuming. He could be older, had a career change, 10 years down the line, decided he wanted to do something else. It's possible. It happens. Honestly, that was so perfect. It didn't need to do anything else. I don't even have anything to say because there was nothing to talk about. It was literally perfect as it was. The boat vacation thing was a little confusing to me, but I think it's just because I'm not a boat person. So I didn't realize the vacation-y aspect of it. And honestly, it was just kind of causing me anxiety because I don't like boats. They were wearing too much white for that red wine. There's a lot of spillage of the wine. And then the tub on the boat. I'm confused on the how and the mechanics of it, but I feel like I'm missing the point of the tub scene and the wine scene and probably the boat scene in and of itself. So that's on me. My secondary comment / question is, at some point somebody else was driving this boat because they were just chilling in the front and the boat was moving. I remember that. So I'm trying to figure out who was driving the boat and then when they got off. But I'm gonna let it go. The proposal was cute. Picking out the rings was cute. You know, parents' acceptance was nice. I kind of wanted them to end the mom story a little differently. But I don't know how I wanted the differently to look. Because he already confronted her. Like, he already saw her downfall. Like, he already got a version of justice. He already, confronted that demon that he had. So it's not like there was anything left for them to say on that aspect. And clearly she was never going to realize the mistakes that she made or own up to them. So I guess there was nothing really they could do more for that part of the story. So of course they would just stop telling it. But I don't know. I kind of wanted them to, I almost wanted, and I know it's the petty in me. Like, I realize that now, but I wanted them to almost show off their happily ever after, right? And then granted, they don't need to do that because that's not where they were on their emotional maturity levels. I get it. I understand. But I think that a little payback would not have been terrible. But not necessary. Just an idea for the next one. I'm excited for Middleman's Love. I hope it comes on IQIYI again. But if nothing else, it's going to be on YouTube. So we're definitely going to be able to watch and react. Yeah, it was just a happily ever after. Like, there's really just nothing to say. It was just a happily ever after. And I'm just happy. It was one of the better endings that I've seen on the show because we didn't have to rush it. And I think that's why I was a little thrown off because I'm used to kind of rushing the last episode, rushing their happily ever after. But this one didn't do that. It literally took the whole episode. Like, they took their time. They showed us a bunch of clips and moments and segments of them. So it was like it took its time. And I think that was different for me. That was new for me because usually it feels more rushy. And not rushy as in like they're rushing the episode, but rushy as in like something happens that takes up majority of the episode and then like the last 20 to like 10 minutes is of their happily ever after. So that's what I was expecting here. But instead they gave us a full 40 minutes of happily ever after. So that was nice. But yeah, it was a good time. I'm so sorry to see it go. The only thing I have left to watch for them is all the behind the scenes. But yeah, that's all for me. If you like this video and you have the time, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.